In this video, I'll show you how to see the muted accounts in X.com, also known as Twitter, using a few quick steps. This is useful if you want to review which accounts you've muted, check your privacy settings, or unmute someone later. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, on the left navigation bar, click More. This opens up additional options and settings inside X. Next, click Settings and Privacy. From there, select Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps most of the account privacy controls. Now click Mute and Block. On this page, you'll find different options for muted and blocked content. Finally, click Muted Accounts. You'll now see the list of all accounts you've muted on X. That's it, you've successfully found the Muted Accounts section in X.com or Twitter. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple how-to tutorials like this one.